If you're a sole trader, you don't need software built for a 50-person company. You need something that sends an invoice, tracks what you spent, and tells you what you owe the tax man. Without a learning curve. I tested 4 of the most recommended tools for solo business owners, and today I'm ranking them from good to the one I'd actually put my own business on. Stick around, because number 1 surprised even me. Quick snapshot before we dive in. 3 of these are do-it-yourself software, and 1 is actually a done-for-you bookkeeping service. That's an important difference, and it's exactly why it lands where it does on this list. Let's break each one down. Coming in at number 4 is Xendoo. Now, right away, this isn't really software you log into and do your own bookkeeping. Xendoo is a virtual bookkeeping service. You get a real team of bookkeepers and a CPA who handle your books for you, on top of QuickBooks or Xero in the background. Their Essentials plan starts around $395 a month, going up to roughly $695 for growth and $995 for scale, depending on how much you spend each month as a business. That's a big jump from the other 3 tools on this list. And for most sole traders just starting out, it's honestly overkill. Where Xendoo actually makes sense is if you hate bookkeeping, you're already making solid revenue, and you'd rather pay someone to just handle it. If that's not you yet, keep watching, because the next 3 options are all software you run yourself for a fraction of the price. Number 3 is QuickBooks Online. Probably the name you already know, since it's what most accountants in the US are trained on. For solo freelancers, QuickBooks now has a solopreneur plan at around $20 a month, built for income tracking, mileage, and estimating your quarterly taxes. If you want real double entry accounting with invoicing and reports, Simple Start runs about $38 a month. The upside is accountant familiarity. Almost anyone you hire down the line will already know QuickBooks inside and out. The downside for solo users is that the cheapest plan is fairly bare bones, and jumping up a tier gets expensive fast if your business grows. Solid, dependable, well-known, but not the cheapest, and not the easiest to scale with. That's why it lands at number 3. At number 2, FreshBooks. And if most of your work is client-based, this is the one built for you. FreshBooks prices by how many clients you bill, not by feature limits. The light plan is $23 a month for up to 5 clients, plus is $43 for 50 clients, and premium is $70 a month with unlimited clients. What makes FreshBooks stand out is invoicing. Recurring billing, late fees, payment reminders, and unlimited time tracking come on every single plan, even the cheapest one. If you're a freelancer who bills by the hour or project, this is genuinely one of the easiest tools to send a professional invoice from. The catch is the client cap. Land a 6th client on light and you're forced to upgrade, and team members cost extra on top of your plan. Still, for a solo freelancer focused on invoicing and getting paid fast, FreshBooks earns a strong number 2, and my number 1 pick for sole traders, Xero. Xero's entry plan starts around $25 a month, covering 20 invoices and 5 bills. Genuinely enough for a lot of sole traders just starting out. What sold me isn't the price, though. It's that Xero includes unlimited users on every single plan, at no extra cost. That means you can bring your accountant, a bookkeeper, or a business partner into your books for free anytime you want, something QuickBooks and FreshBooks both charge extra for. On top of that, Xero automatically pulls in your bank transactions. Its Hubdoc tool captures receipts for you, and the reporting is genuinely some of the cleanest in the industry. It's also the one accountants tend to recommend once a sole trader starts thinking about growing. Is it perfect? No, like the others. The cheapest plan has transaction limits, and you'll likely outgrow it within a few months if you're busy. But dollar for dollar, feature for feature, Xero gives a sole trader the most room to grow without switching software later. That's why it's my number 1. So to recap, Xendoo at number 4 if you want a real team doing your books for you. QuickBooks at number 3 if you want the tool every accountant already knows. FreshBooks at number 2 if your business is all about client invoicing. And Xero at number 1 for the best mix of price, features, and room to grow. Links to try any of these are down in the description, including any current discount codes I could find. If this saved you some research time, drop a like, and let me know in the comments which one you're switching to. See you in the next one.